What's up, my dear traders? How are you doing? And very welcome to Tum's Trading Academy. Are you ready for trade with me today, guys? So we are going to have another trading session with binary options, guys. So let's go for our today day trade, guys. So far so good, my dear traders. As usual, in my live account, $2,000 in the beginning of this trade, and the $500 investment is going to be the first investment. I choose the currency pair and let's push up with $500. And let me explain what's going on in the market. It went down and it's pushing up, guys. So so far so good. Let it go with $500. It's growing up, and guys, according to the RS indicator, pay attention on the RS indicator, guys. According to RS indicator, guys, it has been almost reached into the oversell zone, and it's time to, when it hit the bottom, guys, right now it's time to grow up, guys. So that's why I decided before that candle, guys, there is a red candle and the green candle, so it means, guys, it hit the bottom and right now it's pushing up, guys. So so far so good. Yeah, okay, all right, guys, look at this. And the second candle, also green candle, appeared, and there is no I can't see any shadow in the bottom of the green candle, and it means, guys, there is a very high buying opportunity. And look at my profit, guys, $915. And guys, let me explain, guys. Look at this, guys. Here there is no shadow in the bottom of the green candle. Oh shit, what happened? What happened? Holy cow. Fuck. Nope. Yeah, it's growing up, grow up, man. What the heck? By the way, wait and see. We have time, guys. We have time. You should be patient with this one. Okay, all right, baby. Grow up. Okay, growing up. Yeah, as I told you by my experience, guys. Yeah, I'm going to make this profit, definitely 100%. I'm going to make it, guys. I'm gonna make it. Okay, guys, so far so good. Look at this, look at my profit, guys. $900 profit, guys. Let's push up again, guys. Follow the trend is our friend. If you are following trend, guys, you are never losing your money and you are making profit every day, guys. And guys, if you want to become a professional day trader like me, guys, what you have to do, all you have to do, a really simple thing, guys. Follow my VIP Telegram channel and be a community member in my VIP Telegram channel. There it's available an ocean of extra educational things, and my tactics, my analysis about day trading market and market strategies, and also live updates about trading and everything, guys, available for free for you guys. Use it and improve your knowledge, day trading knowledge, guys, and become a you can easily become a professional day trader with the help of my VIP Telegram channel. All the links below in the description. You can find it easily, really easy, guys. So far so good. Look at my another profit, guys. $900 profit. And let's wait and see. Push up, follow the trend, guys. This is a really good trend. So, and for additional educational videos like these, guys, subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget about it, and hit the like button for this video. And I should mention about you that I made the wrong decision here, guys. So I should have wait couple of seconds and analyze the market. I think it has been reached into some kind of resistive zone, and market has been changed. Right now it's pushing down, guys. So so far so bad. I'm going to lose my $500. And let's invest $1,000. Let's double it, guys. So I don't want to lose my money. So I know the market behavior, market strategy, what's going on. So if I'm losing this 500, it doesn't matter, guys. So I invest my investment doubled, and let's push down. Yeah, I pushed down. So far so good. And then I can make this profit really easy, guys. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, right now click the subscribe button, red color subscribe button below, and hit the like button. And guys, be a community member in my VIP Telegram channel. All the links below in the description, you can find it easily, guys. So far so good. Let it go. Oh, with $1,000, yeah. Right now in my live account, $1,715. So after this one, plus another 1,800. So I'm giving you that guarantee. I'm making this profit, guys. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this, $1,800, as I told you, guys. So far so good. Let's push down, follow the trend. Oh, wait and see, guys, because according to the RSI indicator, yeah, it should be change the market, kind of, yeah, because you know, sometimes there are fake candles are appearing. We should be careful with it. Fake candles are misleading us, misguiding us. So as I told you, guys, it appeared the green candle, guys. So that's why I decided, I knew that by my experience, I knew that what's going on with the market strategy, market behavior, guys. So that's why I pushed up with $500. And guys, I think for today it's enough. After this one, I'm making another $900. It means, guys, at the end of the day, I can make how much, guys? $1,900. Yeah, profit, clean profit, $1,900. Look at this, guys, $900, as I told you. And in my live account, look at these, guys, $3,915 right now, and I started up with $2,000. As I told you, guys, I made my profit $1,900 today, guys. Oh my gosh, my dear traders, I have made $1,900 for today, guys. It's a really good profit, guys. If you want to become a professional day trader and profitable day trader like me, all you have to do, follow my instructions, follow my tactics, and let's meet in another profitable day trading video with Uttum's Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys.